Welcome to Mission Squad.
Subscribe for fun adventures.
Press the bell and join the mission.
What was that? This feels like it's actually inviting us inside.
This isn't an ordinary tunnel. Someone hid it on purpose. Stall 4. What if it's dangerous? Then we won't let it stay dangerous.
This tunnel is very narrow, and there's barely any air inside.
It's a warning. Please, this tunnel is alive.
Which way should we go?
The path that scares us is usually the real one.
This is more dangerous than a movie.
It's not glitch. It will only open when everyone places their hand.
It's testing our trust. This is the secret of the tunnel.
Leave the crystal. Getting out comes first.
I've never run this fast in my life. If we were even 1 second late.
Some secrets are meant to stay protected. This was our most dangerous mission. Hi! Mission Squad never loses!
Unity! Courage! Mission Squad! Wherever there are secrets, Mission Squad will be there!
Mission Squad.